Amitabh Saxena's Anexas story is a very heartwarming, inspiring story of an entrepreneur from a tier 2 city who was born in a village, who goes out and becomes a multinational consulting firm. He tells us the story with no holds barred. It's a story filled with inspirational insights, which he calls billboards. And essentially, what he does is he takes us through his journey, and along the way, you get to see the successes, the failures, the challenges, the hurdles, and how, with a tremendous amount of resilience and focus and determination, with a supporting wife, supporting family, with a wonderful set of colleagues, the Anexas team is able to achieve new breakthroughs, break into new horizons and new countries, new markets. And essentially, ultimately, what you get out of this story is the story of a role model for each and every Indian.
When there are a lot of problems and difficulties, he'll just say, okay, let's just do this. We don't have to be perfect, but we have to be good. And that turns out to be the perfect answer to a lot of problems. And he has given a lot of these examples throughout the book. And these examples inspire you to take your challenges up ahead, face them, and do something. Don't just sit there. So I would call this as common sense, the common sense exemplified by this beautiful book that he has written.
Most interestingly, he's gone and authored this book, which is a very authentic, straight from the heart story that is a very easy and an inspiring read. I think most entrepreneurs are going to love reading this.
Important story that comes out from the book and about Amitabh is how they handle people. As we know, people buy from people and people stay with people and live with people. So I think the key is the way they've handled their own staff, customers, and that has made them do a good job in their business. And Anexas has really quadrupled in what was its vision and achievement.
If we can do it, you can do it too. You don't need funding to start an enterprise. And this is what you are going to learn from the book, The Anexas Story. All of us came from tier 2 and tier 3 cities and made it happen. You can do it too. Go ahead and buy the book and learn how.